This is video 2 for week 3, and we're going to talk about verbal communication. So the first thing I invite you to do is to find a friend in the class or somebody at home who can do this activity with you. So you want to click this link and you'll go to this enunciation activity. Try to evaluate how well you enunciate words. What you're going to do is you're going to have a student 1 and a student 2. So student 1 reads this set of instructions. And what they're going to do is they're going to read random sets of words. So they might say stocking boxes. And they might say bad bed. And they're going to write down the number of the pair that they read aloud. So if the first one they read aloud is stocking boxes, they'll write down number 8. And if the second one they read aloud is bad bed, they'll write down number 4. And number 2 person, they're just going to listen. And they're going to write down what they hear, the number of what they hear. And when you're all done, you're going to compare it and see if what the person listening hears is what you actually said. And then I invite you to do activity number 2, so read those instructions. And then I invite you to listen to a recording of your elevator pitch, the one you made a little earlier. And think about, are there words that you need to enunciate more clearly, or combinations of words that you need to avoid because when the listener hears them, it sounds like a different word. For example, 4 and 1. Well, what does that mean? Is it 4 the number, N-I-N, and 1 the number? Or is it foreign, F-O-R-E-I-G-N? Okay, so that's why I'm saying you want to listen to what you're saying and maybe rethink some of your choices. Okay, so this one's kind of very intense, so take a look at it if you're interested. Read the content on this screen, please. Watch the video if you're interested and you want to learn a little more, or you can read the content either way. This video, if you play it, it's 2 people delivering the same information, and you can judge their verbal and nonverbal skills, and you hear the same message but with different pitch, tone, emphasis on words, and it gives a different meaning or a different impression to the listener. Okay, and then the final thing I invite you to do, I'm actually going to make a new video for this one, so it'll be video 3. Thanks.